Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a favorite ringtone on your iPhone. Whether you want to change the default ringtone for all calls or set a unique tone for specific contacts, iOS makes it easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened the app, simply scroll down and tap on option label sounds and haptics. And once you are in this section, you can see the option label ringtone. So simply tap on that. Now here, browse the list of built-in ringtones and tap any option to preview it. And once you find the one that you like, you can simply tap on it, and after that, you can simply exit the menu and your selection will be saved automatically. And in the ringtone menu, you can simply tap on Tone Store and this will take you to the iTunes Store where you can buy and download new ringtones directly from Apple. And if you want to add a custom ringtone, you need to use a GarageBand or iTunes. Or if you want to set a custom ringtone for a specific contact, you can do it by opening the phone app. Once you have opened the app, simply find the person that you want to assign a ringtone to. Now tap on the edit button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here you can simply scroll down and tap on ringtone and select the sound that you want for that contact. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on done. And now that contact will have a unique ringtone when they call you. And that's it. That's how you can set your favorite ringtone on an iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.